back to that event. It was great to be in a room full of the next leaders of Boston.
Ooh.
Those were some people who are gonna have a big impact for businesses, for people, for organizations. Lawyers are leaders.
Lawyers are
going
leaders.
into politics, whether they're running businesses. So
it was
you could feel it.
You could feel the energy in the room. And the best part, guys, is also we had the most amazing guest speaker.
Yes, absolutely.
Who was able to touch the hearts of millions of souls over his lifetime. And it's more of just Dr. Cornel West.
Mm-hmm.
Legendary.
Absolute legend. Absolute legend. A legend in the field, in the law field, in the media field, in the civil rights field, in the socioeconomic fields, in the church field. He's a lawyer, pastor, one of the best orators I've ever heard in my life.
When he spoke, it was wisdom.
Yeah.
It was just straight up wisdom, guys.
Yeah.